How do different washing machine types, top versus front load, clean clothes? Introduction. Washing machines are complex kinetic appliances designed to remove dirt by combining mechanical action, chemical action, detergent, and thermal energy, hot water. While all models achieve the same goal, top-load and front-load machines use fundamentally different mechanical actions to agitate clothes, which impacts efficiency, water usage, and the gentleness of the wash. Traditional top-load washing machines. Traditional top-load machines are characterized by a central pillar called an agitator. Mechanical action. The agitator rotates back and forth rapidly, creating a vigorous, twisting action within the water. This action forces the water and detergent mixture through the clothes, scrubbing them against each other and against the agitator itself. Water usage. They typically require the drum to be completely filled with water to suspend the clothes and allow the agitator to work effectively. This results in significantly higher water consumption per cycle compared to front loaders. Motor type. Older models used belt-driven motors, while modern, high-efficiency, top loaders often use direct drive motors or an impeller, a low-profile disc at the bottom of the drum instead of a central agitator, to reduce water usage and energy consumption. High-efficiency, top loaders with impellers. Many modern top-load machines use an impeller plate instead of a central agitator. Mechanical action. The impeller creates strong turbulent currents and water falls within the tub. The motion relies on friction between the clothes themselves, rather than friction against a central part, to scrub the fabrics clean. Water usage. Impeller models require much less water than traditional agitator models, as they rely on a concentrated detergent mixture and the clothes flipping over each other, making them more water efficient. Front-load washing machines. Front-load machines are generally considered the most water and energy efficient. They feature a horizontal drum orientation. Mechanical action. Tumbling action. The drum spins on a horizontal axis. As the drum rotates, the clothes are lifted by paddles, baffles, on the interior wall and then dropped, tumbled, back into the water repeatedly. This gentle gravitational tumbling is the primary mechanical cleaning action. Water usage. Due to the horizontal axis, the drum only needs to be partially filled with water, just enough to saturate the clothes. This drastically reduces water and energy, since less water needs to be heated. Consumption. Motor type. Almost all modern front loaders use direct drive motors, which are attached directly to the drum, eliminating the need for belts and pulleys. This makes them quieter, more durable, and more energy efficient. Spin cycle. Front loaders can typically spin at much higher revolutions per minute, RPMs, e.g., 1200 to 1600 RPM, than top loaders, extracting more water and reducing drying time. Summary. The core difference in washing machine efficiency lies in the mechanism of movement. Top loaders historically relied on high water volume and aggressive agitation, agitator, or turbulence, impeller. Front loaders, conversely, use the principle of gravity through a tumbling action to clean clothes with minimal water, making them the superior choice for maximizing resource efficiency.